National level shooter Tara Sehdev had levelled a sensational claim saying that her husband had forced her to convert to Islam. Last evening, immediately after centre stage, the Jharkhand and the Delhi police managed to arrest Ranjit Kohli. His wife says he's Rakibul Hasan. He hasn't spoken so far. He is the man who's been in the eye of the storm, the alleged perpetrator of the so-called love jihad. Headlines today's camera crew was on board the flight from Delhi to Ranchi, and we caught up with Ranjit Kohli, and this is what he had to say about the charge that was levelled by his wife Tara. This is the first time we are hearing Ranjit Kohli speak.
रंजीत, आप पर जो इल्जाम है क्या कहना है आपका? स्टडी में हो, मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता। नहीं, ये कहा गया कि आप बेसिकली मुस्लिम हैं और आपने धोखा देकर शादी की तारा शहदेव से।
वहाँ जाने के बाद पता चलेगा बेटा, वो तो सब आगे आ जाएगा।
हालांकि ये बड़ा पर्सनल सा सवाल है, लेकिन मामला ऐसा मोड़ ले चुका है। आप लोग बेसिकली किस धर्म से ताल्लुक रखते हैं?
हिंदू धर्म।
तो ये जो इल्जाम लगाया जा रहा है कि आप लोग जबरन मुसलमान बनाने की, मुस्लिम बनाने की कोशिश है। नीचे आपको पूरा तसल्ली से करा अभी आप कुछ तसल्ली से करा। आपका नाम क्या है? रंजीत सिंह। रंजीत।
He says, my name is Ranjit Singh Kohli. His mother says we were born Hindu and we are still Hindu. What then is the Jharkhand police making in the interrogation of Ranjit Kohli? Did he convert to Islam? Is there truth in the charges levelled by Tara Sehdev? Kumar Abhishek has travelled to Ranchi and is tracking the story for us tonight. Kumar, what are your sources in the Jharkhand police telling you? Is there truth in the charge that Tara Sehdev was a victim of love jihad?
Well, Rahul, this Ranjit Kohli alias Rakibul Hasan brought to Ranchi today along with his mother. They will be produced before the magistrate, and the police will ask for judicial remand tomorrow, and then when he will be questioned, then the truth will come out. But according to police sources, this man has earned a lot in a very short span of time, this Rakibul Hasan. But police saying that they had not got any conclusive or convincing evidence that this man is actually a Muslim. But according to police, many documents found, which police found from his house, where his name is mentioned as Rakibul Hasan, but no official documents is found where his name is Rakibul Hasan. In fact, his name is Ranjit Kohli on all the government documents like his driving license and all. But police is saying that when he will take Rakibul Hasan and his mother on then they will find out what comes out in this.
What you're saying is very interesting, Kumar, because what you're suggesting is that he had a huge spurt in his income in a very short span in time, and that is something the police is investigating. What they haven't been able to establish at all is that he was indeed converted to Islam. He could have been leading a life with multiple identities just to be able to pull off whatever dubious business he was involved in. That is something that needs to be investigated, and this is the point that Headlines Today has been pressing since the first moment, that this could be a case of fraud. This could be a case of that young girl being duped by this con man, if indeed it is proven that he's a con man. But to suggest that this is part of a larger conspiracy, that there are madrasas in Saudi Arabia which are funding what Rakibul is supposed to be doing and trying to lure gullible Indian women, that seems at this time to be untrue on the basis of the evidence that has emerged so far. This is a story Headlines Today will continue to track very, very closely. For the time being, Kumar Abhishek, thank you very much. We'll come back to you for more updates through the day tomorrow.